Alright, we're gonna start by cleansing her lashes first to not have any makeup residue. You always want to start with clean lashes, even though she came in without any eye makeup on. As you can see, there's always going to be a little bit of residue left over. So you want to make sure that the lashes are clean before we begin the tinting. So I use intensive eyebrow and eyelash tint, and the ratio for the tint and the developer is a 1-to-1 ratio. This tint is a vegetable-based dye, so it is safe to use in the eye area. There are some states that tinting is not legal, and just make sure to check with your state to see if it is legal in your state. On her lashes, we're going to be doing a blue black, which is darkest black, most like mascara. Same thing, it's a 50-50 ratio, 1-to-1. Now, the brand tint that I use is a professional only line. You do have to be a licensed professional to purchase it. So I use little shields where they have a sticky portion on them to lift up her bottom lashes so her bottom lashes can get tinted as well. My finger's not coming out. So now I'm applying the tint with a little eyeshadow brush that is flat. The tint takes about 10 minutes to develop. You don't want to leave it on any longer than 10 minutes. Now I'm going in with an angled brush to do the eyebrow tint. I'm going to begin on her eyebrow that has some lighter hair. And you'll just apply as if you were filling in with makeup. Now that the eyelash tint has finished processing, you're going to use just water to remove it. I normally take off most of it with Q-tips and then go in using gauze. Same thing with the eyebrow tint, you're going to use just gauze with water. Now this is Satin Smooth Golden Quartz Cream Wax, which is a strip wax. I always start on the top of the brows to the middle, then I do underneath. Now that we're finished the waxing, use some oil, clean her all up. Now the tint on the eyebrows and eyelashes lasts 4 to 6 weeks. The more gentle your client is with cleansing, the longer the tint will last for them. Now we're going to trim the eyebrows. I always use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to get the eyebrows to stay in place when I'm trimming. I brush them upwards. You never want to trim eyebrows without brushing them upwards because you just want to get the hairs that are longer. So now that I have them set in place, I'm just going to go across and trim the hairs that are sticking above. Now the scissors that I use are the Anastasia Beverly Hills scissors. Tweezers are Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. So now we're just going to go on with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I believe this is a sand shell color. They have one side that is shimmery, one side that is matte. We will be using the matte side. Then I go in lastly with my clear brow gel just to get the hairs set into place. And to give the brows a fuller appearance, you want to brush the brows upwards.